Okay, so we are here again in Microsoft Windows Server 2012. In this video, we're in Chapter 3. We're doing Activity 3.6, creating and applying a Quota template. So we'll just go back to my Server 1. And in the directions, it says log on to 411 Server 1 as administrator. Open the File Server Resource Manager console. And click to expand quota management if necessary. So there's quota management. Click quota templates to see a list of defined templates in the middle pane. Right click quota templates and create. In the Create Quota Templates dialog box, notice that you can copy settings from an existing template by clicking the Copy button. Type MKT Quota. In the name box and Quota Form Marketing Share in the description box. Set the space limit for 20 megabytes. This amount of storage is small, but today's standards, but it's suitable for this example. Leave the default option hard code. Click the Add button to add notification threshold. In this dialog box, you can generate notifications when the folder or volume reaches certain percentage of the quota limit. In the Email Message tab, you can send an email to administrators who exceed the threshold or both. You can customize the message by adding text with variables, as you see in Figure 3-19. If you enable any of the email options, the server must be configured with SMTP email server. So click the Event Log tab. Here you can specify creating a warning event, which you can customize much like the notification messages. The event is created in the application log with the event ID 12325. And event source SRMSVC. You view this log with Event Viewer in the Generate Notifications when usage reaches a percentage. Text box, type 50 and click Send Warning. To enable event notifications, click the Command tab, where you can specify that a command or script should run when the threshold is exceeded. For example, you could specify a script that deletes all temporary files. Click the Report tab. Here you can specify generating a storage report if the threshold is exceeded and emailing reports to selected administrators, users who exceeded the threshold, or both. Click Cancel to return to the Create Quota template dialog box. Okay. Note that you can create multiple notification thresholds, each with its own notification messages and events. Click OK. Now that you have a custom template, you can create a quota from it. Right-click on the marketing quota that we just made and click Create Quota from Template. Once the dialog box opens, click Browse to specify the path that you want to apply the quota to. In the Browse folder dialog box, navigate to the C drive and marketing docs, and then click OK. You can select Create Quota Path, the default settings to create the quota, or just that folder. So I'm just going to create it. To test the quota, open the File Explorer and navigate to the C drive, Windows, and System 32. Find the twinui.dll file. Is it TW? Oh, it's a file. Damn. So I'm sure I can search it in here, but why not go through all of it? twinui.dll, which is a little less than 13 megabytes. Copy it. Navigate to the C drive and then marketing docs. And paste the file. You should have just exceeded the 50% threshold. Actually, we didn't, because when we were in here, you said push cancel. So that canceled the 50% threshold that we created. How freaking stupid. Let's delete this. We're going to try again. Now it has the 50% warning added to it. Let's do all derivative quotas. And if that's wrong, we can come back and edit it again, just like we did. So let's try that again. So let's go to the marketing docs and paste. Maybe, maybe not. Either I edit or I. And then we will go back to the meeting docs. You just should have exceeded the 50% threshold. You'll see whether an event was generated in a moment. Rename the file. So we'll just do that. And paste it again in the doc. There we go. There's the message. Click Cancel, close File Explorer. In Server Manager, click Tools. And Event Viewer. And click to expand Windows Log. And click Application. You should see the warning event with the ID 12324. Number of events, thousands. There's 12325. Double click the event to read the details. And then go ahead and close it. Open the File Server Resource Manager console and click the Quota Management. So that would be click the Quota Management and then Quotas. You should see that the file path C marketing docs is around 60%, 62, yeah, of its limit. Right click the quota for marketing docs and click delete. Get Okay. And yes. If you're continuing to the next activity, stay logged in, but that's all we have here for this activity. Sorry, my cat jumped on the computer, so we kind of got that part of it. Anyways, see you in my next video.